living facilities are taking more measures during the pandemic to ensure their residents are safely staying active and having fun. Nursing homes and assisted living facilities are following state guidelines, keeping residents safe while also keeping them entertained. Elderly people are at a higher risk to contract COVID-19, so it's important that these facilities strictly adhere to social distancing practices. This means not allowing any unessential people inside, including family members. But that doesn't mean residents are feeling lonely or bored.
It's very important still to maintain, some activities for these residents because they are so isolated, so to keep them active. We're showing lots of things on the CG-TV, which is our in-house television channel. We've videotaped our wellness coordinator doing different exercises and stretch classes and yoga so that residents can continue to exercise.
Jenkins says workers are providing tons of fun activities, either in small group settings or one-on-one. Those activities include ice cream socials, crossword puzzles, candy striper carts with fun treats, music therapy, and a guest favorite, FaceTiming family and friends on the outside. One family is extremely grateful for the employees caring for their 103-year-old mother, Rosa Oden.
We started there a lot out the end of January, to be honest with you. We have not been able to see her since, like I said, the middle of January. They advised us not to come by. As soon as it came out that the coronavirus was there, they immediately shut it down.
Her son, Avron Oden, was devastated that coronavirus restrictions kept him from visiting his mother on her birthday last Friday. But workers at her nursing home made up for it.
A little bummed, she turned 103, which is a milestone. And but because we couldn't, like I said, Miss Jerome, the lady that does the activities, and another young lady, and all the nurses, they got together and they did things for her. And they're the ones that sent us the pictures because we weren't allowed to do anything.
Rosa Oden is a retired North Carolina school teacher and assistant principal. But despite all the precautions, she still got her 103rd birthday celebration.
What they did for my mother, the staff took time to take her to their activity room, and the young ladies that Miss Jerome, that's in charge of the activities, dressed my mother up, put the blanket that we had given her, and bought her some balloons herself, and they gave her a little preemptive birthday celebration.
Workers at these facilities are doing all they can to keep the people they care for engaged and entertained during this time. Avron Oden thinks that they're doing a fantastic job.
I've always tried to thank them for because they don't make a lot of money. Let's be realistic. They don't get paid a lot for what they do, and to care for someone's mother, father, sister, brother, it's pretty heavy, man. You're putting the trust, your family's trust into it's almost like a daycare for older adults to an extent.
Nursing homes will continue to practice safe social distancing in fun and interactive ways. Make sure you're taking the time to thank healthcare workers and all essential personnel for going above and beyond during this time. In Greenville, I'm Emily Severidge, 9 on your side.